hiring start.
HBS advantage.
Point of view. Okay, so very good morning to you all. Uh, this is Sonu Kumar Jha and Mr. Professor Atul Chauhan sir is going to take your webinar, today's webinar, in which you will get the career counseling, how you will get the good position in your career now after BCA, completion of BCA. Okay, so Atul sir, are you
Yes,
hearing me
sir.
now?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so I am just hand over to you. Please start now, sir.
Okay. Good morning, students. How are you? Everyone.
Fine, sir. Good morning,
Morning,
sir.
sir. Fine,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Sir,
Good, beta, good. Doing
Good
good.
morning, sir.
So, how everything is going on?
Good, sir.
Good. Okay. Do you have any idea like this webinar is about what you can say content or what idea will you will be going to get from this webinar? Any idea?
Most
Sir?
probably you would be suggesting something good about our career, like doing
Oh,
masters or any kind of job, right, sir?
okay, very good. So, have you get an if everyone kindly keep your like phones on mute, then it will be beneficial for everyone. I just wanted to know how many of you have got a job opportunity or an internship opportunity. Is there anyone who has got a job opportunity or an internship opportunity?
Yes, sir, I got.
Okay. So yes, definitely it will be beneficial for you in terms of like one of you have said that it may be about the career plan in terms of doing post graduation or like an opportunity to be get exposed to the industry. So yes, of course, it is a webinar about how to do a master's degree in this crisis time with minimal cost and. I would like to tell you about the market scenario about masters from like Delhi and NCR colleges, and then I will like to tell you how it will be beneficial for those students who did BCA from Hiring Business School. So it will be an advantage only for you people who are already enrolled with Hiring Business School. And going further, I would be going to tell you that as you know do you think master is an important aspect as your career path? Doing masters will be important or not?
It is very important, sir.
Okay, why you like think so it is important?
Sir, in MNCs, mainly the HR or the organization would prefer the person who is having masters because they believe that the particular person who is having masters would be having better knowledge or better experience than the undergraduate one.
Okay, it can be, it can not only about the experience, but about the theoretical constraint also.
Exactly.
If I tell you that in any organization, if you enter, you will be going to enter at the operational level. So you know that there are a few levels in the organization, and operational level is the very basic level. So you will be going to enter to an organizational and at operational level, and then after a span of 1.5 years or 2 years you will be going to get promoted to like you can say the mid management level. You will be going to get promoted to mid management level. Mid management level gives you a position of maybe an SME, or it can give you a position of maybe a team leader. So like after 1.5 minimum span of years you will be promoted to SME, and then after 1.5 span of years you will be promoted to team leader. So in all you need approximately 3 years to get promoted to this position. And as you did as you did UG in computer science, you have already completed undergraduate course in computer science, and you can say you are about to complete it. So in computer science, if you have completed an undergraduate course and plus like a master's degree, an MBA degree will be an added advantage. It will be an added advantage because after a span of 5 years, a span of 5 years, you will definitely be going to get promoted to the managerial level, where like you have to handle a team of your own. All right, but if you have UG degree plus an MBA course, then you can directly in a span of 1.5 or 2 years, you can get this position, which is like which may be like an operational manager or HR manager or training manager or so on. So instead of spending 5 years in 5 years of your life in this you can say in this domain where you have ladders of 1.5 years for the first growth, then 1.5 years for the second growth, then 1.5 years for the third growth, you can directly switch over to this position, which is after the mid management level, and this includes the top management, and the top management were only those people who have completed MBA in a span of maybe like while working in a span of 5 years, or after graduation you have completed an MBA. So it is definitely will be a best time to do MBA right now, because you may set your goals, you may make plans, you can get to work, you can stick to it, and you can reach your goal. You can ask anything in this you can say in this webinar, and we will discuss it. All right. So if we go further, we as you know that there is an impact of COVID-19 on education. The impact of pandemic COVID-19 is observed in every sector around the world. It can be like for a cobbler, it can be for you can say a manufacturing industry, it can be for pharmaceutical industry. Everyone has got affected. The education sectors of India as well as world are badly affected by this, and somewhere around 32 crore learners stopped to move colleges, and all educational activities halted in India. Like you might have an example of your cousins or your friends who would have been going to school, but now they are sitting at home and taking online classes. And you already know the impact of online classes. Most like I think 10 to 20 or 25% of students are taking it seriously. Otherwise, everyone is taking it very lightly. And I saw many times like if we are taking classes, then 50% of students are either sleeping or like they are roaming here and there. They are not considered about the content or the constraints of you can say the course. So the outbreak of COVID-19 has taught us that change is inevitable. No one has thought about the online scenario in January 2020, but now it is an important aspect of your life. And it has worked as a catalyst for the educational industries to institutions to grow and opt for platform with technologies which have not been used earlier. So impact of COVID-19 on education is that the educational activity has hampered, there is an impact on employment, there is reduced global employment opportunity because people are not getting the visas to go abroad. There is an access to digital world, access to global education, the payment of schools, colleges fees got delayed because of the financial crisis that the parents is seeing. So if I move further, then career benefits of an MBA degrees are you can develop advanced and flexible management skills, which are required for promotion. The new job positions are also open to you. Your world perspective grows. You are more knowledgeable in areas most important for your career, maybe at any positions, or if you are going to do your own business, then also it makes an impact. The MBA salaries are some of the highest in the job markets, and basically they are the analyst, and analyst always had you can say a positive mindset, so they already have a good job opportunity, and then access to an extensive business network. You can start your own company from scratch. The MBAs are great for career change and thriving business opportunities. You may you can say better your communication, you may better yourself in terms of a person and the self-discipline. And if we move further, then you can see that, okay, if we move further, then it will let you know about the fee structure, the MBA fee structure for a regular curriculum in any of the universities in Delhi and NCR is about 3,10,000. And for the first year, you have to pay 1,55,000, and for the second year, you have to pay 1,55,000 again. But it is a very huge amount for parents in this pandemic situation. It is very least of the parents can bear this amount, and there are many students who studied by taking loans from the banks. So it will be a very typical scenario to extract 3,10,000 in a span of 2 years. Am I right or not? Will it
Yes,
be a
sir.
huge amount?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Okay, yeah, it is a huge amount. So if you move forward, then MBA structure for you people who has done BCA from Hiring Business School for 2 years will be going to pay 1,60,000. So there is a direct cut of 50% in your academic fees. And this offer is only valid for Hiring Business School students. The semester wise fees will be in that case, which is 40,000. I think you are paying 42,500 for BCA. For MBA, you will be paying 40,000 per semester if you go through this module. And students can pay each semester fees in 2 installments, 20,000 per 3 months. So quarterly you can pay 20,000. It is only an exclusive program designed for those students who are doing either BBA or BCA from Hiring Business School.
Yeah.
Otherwise, for other students, the fees is
बोल देना मैं चला जाऊँ.
students, kindly keep
Please,
yourself
please
on
mute.
Kindly keep yourself on mute. Otherwise, it is a situation where you have to pay 3,10,000 if you're not an MBA, if you're not a HBS student. So right now, for HBS students who are doing either BBA or BCA, if you are willing to get an MBA degree from AKJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, and then in that case you can pay 1,60,000 for the entire year, and where you can split this amount per semester wise, it will be 40,000, and then again 20,000 you can pay in quarterly mode. So I think this will be a very good offer because it is direct 50% cut in the entire curriculum fees. And if you move further, there is a special offer. This is a special offer only for HBS students where you only have to pay 1,60,000, and this will be a special batch. It will be called as COVID batch, and beneficial only for you people. It is beneficial only for you people, where the other students will be going to pay 3,10,000, but those students who are already studying in Hiring Business School will have to pay 1,60,000. And if you check the fee inclusions, then the AKTU charges from college every year, which is mandatory, 1,18,000. Then after that, there is a mandatory charge for college, which is 1,05,000. Then exam fees per semester includes 8,000 per semester into 4, it goes to 32,000. Then 40,000 per student is it is basically inclusive fees of AITA and AKTU. College uniform fees is 5,000. Value addition course fees is 10,000. Industrial visits, guest lectures, farewells, freshers, annual functions, this fees includes 10,000, and college tour includes 5,000. Basically, this is a component which is splitted from 3,15,000. Now, if you sum this up, then this is 1,05,000 for which AICT charges from college per student. Then AKTU charges from college per student is 118. Exam fees is 32,000. Overall total fees, which includes AICT and AKTU charges 40,000. Then 5,000 will be for the uniform. For value addition, it will be 10,000. For industrial visit, 10,000. College tour, 5,000. Book set, 5,000. And 75,000 is the total. If you sum this up, then it goes to 75,000. So, also I would like to let you know that you are already familiar about HBS environment. You know about the faculties of HBS. You know about how regular offline and online classes are going on at Hiring Business School. You know about the industry ready programs offered by Hiring Business School. You know about the qualified faculty members of Hiring Business School. You already know about regular workshops and guest lectures that MBA students are going through in the span of last 10 years. And you know about the placement and internship opportunities for MBA students. You might have like there are familiar faces, like you might have a known face which is like Ishan Sharma. He has also done BCA from here, and then he has done MBA from Hiring Business School, and now he has got a great opportunity and working with one of the good MNCs in Bangalore. So there are many such faces who has done BCA from Hiring Business School. They completed their masters as an MBA from AKTU from Hiring Business School, and now they are at the good positions in their career path. So I would also be going to compare the fees structure for other colleges in Delhi and NCR. For the same course from AKTU, IMS is charging 7,92,000. The Jaipuria Business School, they are charging 10,000 and 10,25,000 for the same course. JP Business School is charging 8 lakhs. Asian Business School is charging 7,40,000. IMS Ghaziabad is charging 7,95,000. GL Bajaj is charging 6 lakhs, and ABS Ghaziabad is charging 4 lakhs for the same curriculum, which we are offering from, which is affiliated from Abdul Kalam Technical University. And I think you would have a great opportunity in terms of doing MBA from Hiring Business School. You are getting a slash of 50% in your fees, and as you know that everything you have ever wanted is on the other side of fear. So we are welcoming you, every one of you, to if you have any queries you can ask, and also you are invited to like join this course in a it is a very, you can say, nominal amount for doing MBA from Hiring Business School, and it is affiliated to a reputed university, which is AKTU. So if you have any queries, then you can go ahead. In terms of if you have any queries, if you want to ask anything, you can go ahead. And
So
yes,
can I be audible?
yes, Suman, yes.
Yeah, so you're saying it's for the COVID-19 batch, right? What if we want to like take a break, like 1 or 2 year break from studies, then we want to join again?
For like you are saying that you will be going to continue with the MBA course in 2022 from Hiring Business School, then what will be the fee structure? Is that like that?
No. Like I'm doing the BCA, right? Okay, now I'm like moving to jobs. So like 2 years मैं gap लेना चाहता हूँ, then I will coming to hiring for MBA. What will be the fee structure then?
But then it will be at that time. I don't think this this amount will be there, because at that time you might have to pay the entire amount. I am not sure about this, because at that time what will be the global scenario, it depends on that. Right now, as the job opportunities are less, so we have designed this curriculum for HBS only for this particular year. So if you're taking admission in this particular year, then you will get these benefits. I cannot say about what will happen if you join the same curriculum in 2022. So that will be very it will be very reluctant to decide whether it will be same or the fee structure will be increased or decreased. That we cannot say, because like at this position, if you are willing to do MBA, then definitely we are offering 50% of discount only for those students who are doing graduation from Hiring Business School.
Okay, thanks.
All right. And Suman, it will be beneficial, because if you are planning it to do after a span of 2 years, then if you are already like indulged with some company in an organization, then there is only one chance that you have to complete your MBA from distance education program. And that will be beneficial only for growth prospect. Otherwise, the students are doing it and not gaining any theoretical knowledge or not gaining any knowledge from the case studies. But here you have frequent case studies to you can say to discuss on, and then there is a regular curriculum. So definitely it has a weightage over that program, because if you have already worked for a span of 2 years, then it will be very difficult to do a regular curriculum, because either your job will be regular or your course will be regular. You can do any one regular component at one instance of time. So in 2022, let us say you are engaged with TCS, then you cannot you cannot go through a regular program, because you are already like you will be getting a benefit of again engaged with a span of 2 years from TCS, rather than doing an MBA regular from any other university.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
All right. Yes, any other students, if you have any queries, you can ask. Any queries? Students, any
Yes, sir.
queries? Yes, Ajay.
Yes, sir. Anshu Dubey, sir. I just want to ask, is there in MBA field, is there any specific field that is beneficial for the student that complete computer science rather than MBA IT, MBA logistics?
Okay, discipline you can discipline you can choose, but that is again what interest you have. Like if you have an interest in different domains, then it will be beneficial for everyone. Like if you have a knowledge of statistics, then you can be a good analyst. You can go for doing operations as your mainstream. So there are many streams available, but it depends on your you can say the interest area. If your interest area is marketing, then you can opt the major subject as marketing. If your interest area is in IT, then you can opt the major subject as in IT, and so on. I have many examples where students have did only the graduation program, and they are unable to get an opportunity as a manager. But those students who did, you can say a BCA and then MBA, or BBA and then MBA, has got good opportunity in a span of 2 or 2.5 years. So the discipline you can decide on your interest area. If your interest area is IT, then definitely you can opt for IT as one of your, you can say, one of your subject or discipline in MBA. All right. Do you have any other queries? Yes, Shivam. Would you like to ask anything, Shivam? Ujjwal Singh? Basically, you two students have raised your hands, Ujjwal Singh and Shivam. Do you have any queries?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, here Dean ma'am is also present, Gurpreet ma'am is also present. In case if you have any queries about the curriculum, then you can ask. We are all present here to clarify your doubts here. And it can be done on one-on-one basis also. If you have any queries you don't want to ask right now, you can call anyone. You can call me, you can call Sonu sir, you can call Pragati ma'am, you can call Gurpreet ma'am. So we are here to resolve your queries, and this is designed only for our students to expose them to a good opportunity in a span of next 2 years. So it will be a very beneficial aspect, because you will be going to do a regular program from which is reputed. It is from a reputed university, and it is worldwide acceptable also. Yes, yes. Any doubts? Yes. Anyone? Any queries? You can think over it. You can discuss it with your parents. Yes, Ujjwal.
Sir, queries only related for the MBA or the other are BCA batch that conducted on जो sir अभी exam हो रहे हैं हमारे?
हाँ, you can ask anything.
उनसे related पूछ सकते हैं या फिर खाली?
Yeah, sure. You can ask.
Sir, I want to ask that the timing of the exam is 2 hours. So what about the weightage of the marks?
But that blueprint is not yet generated by university, so most probably in a span of like maybe 2 or 3 days, you'll be going to get it clarified from university. So that is the blueprint. It is to be generated by university. I cannot comment on that right now.
Okay, sir.
All right, it won't be a very difficult paper. It will be an easy paper, but you have to know about like the basics of the subject. If you have an idea about the basic of the subjects, then you can definitely get good marks. You can clear it with a good percentage.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So any other thing
Sir,
that you would
can I
like to
ask-
ask? Yes.
सर 110% चांस है ना कि मतलब एग्जाम होएगा ही.
But it is already notified by university. So like I cannot say 100%, but yes, 99.9% chances are there that exam will happen as scheduled by the university.
All right, sir. All right.
Okay. Yes, any other doubts? Just try to get good opportunities if they are coming to you. If you have an offer from a good company, then try to join it as soon as possible. If you have an offer from a good university, then try to grab this opportunity as soon as possible, because this is not the time to like waste it. It is the time to think over it, to, you can say, improve your career prospect in the near future, so that you can get good opportunity maybe in a span of maybe, like, if any company has offered you a good package as a programmer, then also you can opt for it. Otherwise, you can go for a master's program, and doing MBA will be a beneficial component for your career. All right. Okay, students, is there anything that you would like to ask? Sonu sir, shall we conclude then?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for sharing such a great information.
Most welcome, sir. Thank
for
you.
students' point of view. Okay, sir. Thank you so much again.
Thank you,
And definitely,
students.
some of the students will take this opportunity.
Sure.
Provided by the
But you
college.
have to decide it as early as possible, because like we have to close these admissions in a span of 10 to 15 days. So you have to like consider it with your parents, and then you can revert back to your mentors, to me, to Pragati ma'am, to Gurpreet ma'am, anyone. And then you have to take decision in a span of maybe like 8 to 10 days. Then only it will be applicable. So because everything is to be closed on priority basis. And all the best, students, for your exams. Most probably you will be going to get a good percentage in the final year. And also I would like to tell you that be prepared with your project, you can say project files. Most probably there will be a project viva which will be going to like happen just after the exams. I will let you know about the schedule, but you have to prepare your project files also. All right.
All right, sir. All right.
So students, take care and all the best. Thank you so much for your patience and listening to everything. Thank you, students.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
all
Thank
the
you.
best, students. All the best. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.